You Scanty, what do you get? So oh yeah near my content, TV so the oh no sounds so entertainment. The only no been also yeah. I don't know also to GL. Why it you know buy Range Rover? Or it is say no be possible. It be because of your mindset. If you change your mentality.
Where I think he has the problem is you were quick to believe Asake's own based on 2 emojis. In own way, you write thesis plus money in the private jet. You know how that's why you do the 20 minutes long video.
Yeah,
Walai talai. Because like somebody dropped 2 emojis. Charlie, Asake get money. Asake get money. Asake buy private jet. Chairman,
Guys, so pam Shatta wale, aka Achidundum, that be the name way Medikal they used to call him. So Medikal's best friend Shatta wale has really joined the controversies going on with Asake and Medikal in the bab. So Shatta wale get a message for us to us, Charlie. Why say we did like that? So where they believe say Medikal could fit buy this private jet or what? Where Coach Shatta and guys can't say no. If Medikal he really the mean say he buy the private jet, like be we the Ghanaians where you go talk say for come take show us in the bab. Like in America, the way you go disturb on social media, we go make everybody knows to Charlie, especially a private jet in the bab. So what they maybe the private jet be somebody you want, where Charlie them to go take that private jet go board show for somewhere in the bab where they claim say be home. Later on you can come now say he the Lloyd. That statement of course you see could actually the big Scanty say how you go feel no say Medikal no buy him. No, if Medikal buy him, like we go no. When Shatta the big Scanty say so he they believe say Asake in one way buy he be one and we say yes he believes Asake buy. If you no buy like go fit come show us say he buy in the bab. So we all this thing bring a lot of controversies on social media in the bab. So finally Shatta wale has really joined this brouhaha on social media in the bab. He get a message for us say Charlie right now Ghanaians he dey say when I mind Charlie be correct because they believe when I own somebody where you dey your country where you say you buy this now even if they believe like if you find a way to say it in the bab. Why say you for open your mouth say unnecessary things where they mean anything for you where you they say that in the bab. So guys this issue Medikal also has sent a message to Scanty. He even call Scanty that Charlie your head look like PS2 PS2 or PS5 something like that. So Shatta wale too is out to support his brother and at the same time to send us message that Charlie we for protect and Charlie support one our own. You see, so as Asake came online that he has purchased a private jet that one jet we they believe say he has done it, but Medikal has come out also to say that no he has also purchased a private jet. Why that one jet it has become a problem? Why wouldn't we believe that no he can do it and he will be like he can do it and he has done it? So guys, Shatta wale get a message for us. Let's all go and listen to what Shatta wale got for us. And if you think Medikal has the private jet too, please just leave it in the comment section. If you think he doesn't too, just let us know in the comment section. Charlie, let us vibe, Charlie. And this your boy Prince GH.
Respect Ghana artists. Oh, but apart from me, America will fly private jets like me. Recently, you go somebody argue about Medikal and Asake. No disrespect to Asake, but you see, Ghanaians study how you put it. When if your brother in one there, yeah, fuck it. But when we are shaking one day, this I did watch since my internet why I see foolish people. Everybody talk in mind some way like my American go fi bad, my Shake go fi bad. No bro, what kind of disrespect is that? No, what kind of disrespect is that? Like so you up to now your eye no open. You still they watch Rambo movie and you go do mood and can't do work from so your mind there die. If it wait Jimmy and wait Jimmy or country and for politicians no. When you see left and right, I want to mean Shatta wale. When I follow system, say system in wow.